Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a new update on CapCut, which is how to share your projects directly on your CapCut. So let's get started. Now once you open your CapCut, you need to open your app. Once you open your app, all your project is going to be listed immediately you open your app. So now let's wait for it. There's a new update. You can see how you have to make sure your CapCut is up to date. If it's up to date, it's going to the interface is going to be like this. So after that, you can say all your project is going to appear here. So now, how do you share your project? Now click on this three dots. Once you click on three dots, you're going to say this is a new. Just click on the share project. And now click on share projects. You have to say no Wi-Fi movement, backup may cause cellular. Let's say you have to back it up for you to be able to sell it. So just click on backup. Once you click on backup, it's going to back it up. You can see upgrade storage to project. Click on upgrade now. To click on upgrade. This is it. It's loading. Now this is it. You have to join your CapCut Pro and you'll be able to share it very easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.